Hello food lovers and welcome back to Jacinta's kitchen. Today we are cooking one of my all-time favorites Kenyan meals, pork fry served with ugali and Sukuma Wiki. A plate that is hearty, flavorful and feels just like home. We're going to start off by washing. The pork has already been cut into pieces. 50 looks like 100, but it's all good. So we're going to drain the water, yote kabisa, and then now we're going to put it on fire. And now we're going to add in oil, just a little bit, because this pork head that it does its own thing, yeah. So we're going to add in our oil. There you go. And now we're going to be turning it until it gives us that golden brown and juicy color. So here we go. Color is almost coming, so we're going to add in salt. Yeah, since it's almost ready, we're going to add in our salt here, that way, so that the salt can cook together with with it. And look at that, it's ready. We're just gonna set it aside and then we'll drain off the excess oil and serve it. But look at that, I'm telling you. To prepare our skuma, yeah, adding the onions, oil. And funny thing, this is that sufuria that I love, but it's so light. I don't know why. It always gives me a hard time when I'm cooking, but it's so good. Yeah, money. And it doesn't even allow the onions to but it's so good. This time we're going to add in our tomatoes, and we're going to add in salt. Yeah. Cover it and then few minutes later, look at it. We're going to, make sure zimebondana, yani zimebondeka, tomato zimebondeka vizuri before we add in our mboga. And here we go, our mboga. Nice. So we're going to add our Royco cube just for flavor. It's good to have this taste. So tunaenda kuongeza Royco cube. Na mkiona watu wa Royco kwa mwambie I use their Royco cube. Let them just come and see me. Let them come and get me. But anyway, yeah, you're going to add in our Royco cube for flavor, taste. Tunaenda kuikoroga alafu tuifunike ndio iive vizuri. And our Sukuma Wiki is done. Set aside, we're going to cook our ugali. Of course, water to boil. But this time I added just a little bit of blue band. I don't know, I want a certain taste of vanilla. But yeah, so we all know how we do it. Unakoroga and all that. Because no Kenyan meal is complete without a side of ugali. Soft, warm, and the perfect match for this pork fry.